and grateful to be able to be a part of this kasi syempre, not only do we get to extend help to the kids, but we also get to be able to bond with them kahit nasabihing isang araw lang, since this could have a big impact to them and syempre to us as well, since this charity event is a big deal.
What are you looking forward to Belle's concert?
We are looking forward for her unique performances and also kung sino-sino yung mga guests and ano yung mga pasabong nila para sa amin. And especially yung kanilang stage setup.
Isa rin po siguro sa inaabangan ko is yung makita ko siyang umiyak. Sorry kung medyo cliche, pero ayun po yung para sa akin kasi first time niya po itong magkakaroon ng concert, birthday concert pa, tapos sa Solar pa po gagawin. So, very, very exciting po yun para sa akin as a fan, as a
What's your message to them?
Hi Belle, you're one of those amazing and inspiring person na nakilala namin. Please continue what you're doing kasi maraming tao ang ginagawa kang inspiration. And we will always support you through thick and thin. Because we're not a believer for nothing.
Hi Belinda, you are an inspiration to so many and I will be forever grateful to be one of your believers. Sobrang happy ako to see you grow and be the phenomenal actress that you are. Always remember na nandito lang kaming fans mo to support you in the best way that we can. May you continue to be blessed and be a blessing to others. Keep shining, Belinda.
Feeling ko ngayon pala natupad na yung wish ko na makasama ko kayo dito. So, maraming salamat again. Thank you!
Napakaganda naman talaga.
Ang ganda ng pangulo.
Ang ganda. Sa lahat ng pwedeng anggulo.
Sorry!
Oh my God. Sorry, P.
Hindi ko maaalala mo tinula.
Sana bumait ka na. Basahin mo sa likod. Yung message sa likod.
Bumait ka na!
Ay! Ba't sa kanya ka respeto?
O yan, pwede natin ilang sabay.
Ano?
Sa akin.
Oo. Ay!
Magkasama na kami kanina. Magkasama na kami kanina. Tayo! Magkasama na natin.
Snoopy, patingin kayo. Ay, ganda. Ay, sorry love.
Ikaw na yung kalangot.
Wait, meron?
Pamilya sila. Okay guys.
Ganda. Insanely proud of you. Anak ng Pati, ang galing mo.
Ayun nga.
Guys, cursive yung akin.
Ang ganda ba tamis? So
touched.
Oh my God, Lord, so oh, Pip! Oh my God.
I'm so touched for the coffee.
Yeah, parang yours is special.
Ang ganda sa'yo, love.
Yeah, we saw this in the
Ganda sunset.
Yo, Dolly.
Sunrise.
Ano katagal mo lang alam mo, Dolly?
Sebe? Oh. Wow!